Well, I ain't been up here and checked on this whole thing in probably 20 years. In probably 20 years. And I just recently bought another complete car rolling. So I think maybe I can take these two cars, this car and the other car that I'll show here when I go get it, and build back one car. Why would I go to all this trouble? My very first car was a 64 and a half, two-door hardtop Sprint, 289 4-speed. And before anybody says anything, I know they'll argue it was a 289 didn't come in a 64, but this one did. We bought it from the original owner. Now this car didn't. This car here was a 6-cylinder, inline 6 automatic car. But when I get done with it, you're not going to know it wasn't my old car, because the car I bought was a straight shift car. So we got all the original pedals and stuff in it. I just can't wait to tear into this thing, see what all's good on it. I'm just really hoping that the floors are good.